Hi guys, and today we're going to be making these puff pastry sheets. Yeah, you can make them however you want. This is my favorite way and I wanted to share this. So I bought the puff pastry sheets. You can use them just a little pack, or in cash and carry they sell like huge boxes, which is a really good deal to buy them. So to this we're going to need some puff pastry sheets, heavy cream, some vanilla, and some berries, and sugar, and some chocolate. So that is gonna be it. So first I unfolded one sheet of the puff pastry. You gotta make sure to follow the instructions on the box, as this is supposed to thaw at room temperature for no more than 40 minutes and it needs to still be cold. So that's what we're gonna work with. So mine is all ready. What we're gonna do is kind of roll it out just a little bit to make it a bigger size. Okay, so now let's slice these into squares. Alright, so now we're going to put this on the baking sheet. Well, it says to kind of lightly grease, so let's put this on a greased baking sheet. Okay, let's put these to bake. 400 degrees until it's golden. Now while that's baking, we are going to work on the cream. So in here I've placed heavy cream, sugar, and some vanilla. So let's beat this up and let's get the party started. Okay, so we're done. And how you know when the cream is ready is when you flip it on top of your head and nothing comes out, then it's ready. So don't overbeat this because then it becomes too buttery and just not too good. So as long as it just gets together, then it's perfect. All right, so let's refrigerate this until we're ready to use, so this cream stays warm, cold, cold, so it stays cold. Now let's work on our little drizzling. While that's all being processed, here's our chocolate. Now we're gonna need to heat up some heavy cream to a boil and mix these two together. So here what I have is chocolate chips, dark, and milk. You can use anything, and if you're using like half a cup, for example, then use about half a cup of milk, heavy cream. So just, yeah, I do half and half of everything. So let's work on this. So I placed the chocolate into a bigger cup, that way I can mix the heavy cream in here. Let's heat up this heavy cream and get this going. This looks about right. And kind of stir it just a little bit. Make sure everything's coated. And we're gonna leave this alone to just melt and whatever. And alright, these beauties have came out, as you can see. They're perfect size. I mean, whatever size you prefer, that's what you're gonna end up with. I like these little mini size. So then once this needs to completely cool, because we don't want the cream to melt because it's really warm. So let's let this cool for at least 10 minutes. And our chocolate is done. As you can see, it's melted. I did need it to add a little more just because I wanted thicker chocolate. So I added a few more chocolate chips in here while it's still warm so it can kind of melt. All right, let's assemble. Okay, so what I've did here, I've used a knife and I sliced them open. So you can see that. Just cut them in half gently. I mean, it works pretty easy. And leave this on parchment paper because we are gonna add the cream, the berries, and then we're gonna drizzle some chocolate. That way the chocolate can go on the parchment paper. So here is just an example. I've placed some cream. I mean, you kind of can do it like a little hill of a cream because this will be the top. So, and then just like I got one raspberry, I had to put in little pieces because I did make small ones. So, and then just top this on, and ta-da-da, 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 beautiful, delicious. Now I'm gonna continue doing all of them, and let's drizzle with some chocolate. Alright, so I drizzled these with some chocolate and these are ready to go. Of course, the chocolate still needs to, become hard. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And of course, try this. It's easy and delicious. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.